Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 225 grams cold unsalted butter cut in cubes. Work butter into flour until the mix looks like coarse crumbs. This preserves flakiness. Add 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Stir until dough barely comes together. Press into a disc, wrap in plastic, and chill for 30 minutes in the refrigerator so the dough firms and handles cleanly when rolled. On a lightly floured surface, roll the chilled dough to 3.5 mm thickness for a delicate crumb. Use a 2.5-inch cutter to stamp rounds for consistent size. Place rounds on a baking sheet lined with parchment. Add 1 teaspoon Nutella in the center of half the rounds, then top with another round and gently crimp the edges to seal. Bake at 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C, on the middle rack for 10 to 12 minutes until pale golden around the edges. Remove before deep browning to keep them tender. When biscuits come from the oven, cool them on the baking sheet for 10 minutes so the center's set and the filling stops oozing, then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling. This recipe yields about 24 biscuits depending on cutter size. Store in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days or freeze in layers separated by parchment for up to 2 months. For troubleshooting, reduce filling to 1/2 teaspoon or chill assembled biscuits 10 minutes before baking if Nutella tends to run.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.